Howdy folks, as promised, this is full English breakfast in the Boy Scout cook kit. Stay tuned. There's something that I recently made for my Boy Scout cook kit. I actually made it for the Coleman kit, but I've got the old kit in here at the moment. But it's just a cover. I just whipped it up, put it around a saucepan lid, stitched it the wrong way out. But of course, it has a secret. But you knew that already. I've used black material on the inside to kind of hide the grime as it gets used, but it's got a bit of a double purpose. It actually doubles as a bit of a hot mitt. So that's the plan behind that. And as you'll come to see, it's a little more fire retardant than some other methods I might use. Here we go. Pillsbury 5 flaky biscuits, 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes, baked beans, mushrooms, sausages, not the real sausages but what I can get out here, bacon, and we've even got turkey bacon because it's important to have your vegetables as well. I'm going to use 1 biscuit per sausage, that's the idea. Right. 1 sausage in there. Oh. There they are, pigs in the blanket. I'm on fire, but hey, that could you hold it still for laughing? Did you manage to hold it still? All right. It's stuck.
Can't bring him either.
There you've got, for the uninitiated, bacon, black pudding, which isn't pudding at all to my American cousins, it's black sausage or blood sausage, egg. I've got sausage, I didn't want to do fried bread so I've done pigs in a blanket, baked beans, mushrooms, tomatoes. We've got regular bacon and turkey bacon. And now it's time to, well, give it the taste test. Oh yeah. Forgot to mention, HP sauce. To those that don't know what that is, well, I guess It would be a bit like steak sauce in the States. Maybe tamarind. It's definitely a British favourite with your sausages, with your breakfast at home, English breakfast. Some people put ketchup on English breakfast. I think that's sacrilege. Bit of everything here. Black sausage and a bit of bacon. Oh man. It's a biscuit. Now, that was a full English breakfast in the Scout Cook Kit for two. So there's my response to the folks that say that they're a bit small, all that. And that's two well fed. I've still got stuff left in the pot, and I could have done a double egg. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. That was full English breakfast in the Scout Cook Kit. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Dip it in some of that HP sauce. Oh. Check that out for a view. Fantastic.